NBC29 forecast.
Another beautiful fall day across the region. There's the current view from the Charlottesville camera, and certainly it was a nice day. Temperatures started the morning in the 40s and low 50s. Afternoon highs warmed into the mid and upper 70s across the region. 74 currently at the airport, a dew point of 53. That means the air is dry. It will be another cool or chilly overnight. 73 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Some other readings at this hour include 73 in Orange. We have 73 in Livingston, 71 in Waynesboro, and 71 currently in Madison. Temperatures tonight will range anywhere from the mid 40s to around 50. Could be a little touch of fog early tomorrow morning. And for the first day of October, some delightful weather as well. Maybe a degree or two cooler than today. That puts many of us in the mid to low 70s. Certainly fine fall weather. Now we will start to see a warming trend as we move into the upcoming weekend. Around 80 on Saturday and low to middle 80s on Sunday. Our winds will shift out more out of the southwest, and Sunday we're out ahead of the next slow moving approaching cold front that will bring us a better opportunity for some appreciable rain as we get into early next week. Well, of course, on the cusp of October, we think of the fall foliage that will certainly unfold for the month ahead. And normally, based on climatology, mid-October for areas along and west of the Blue Ridge, late October for areas east of the Blue Ridge, the Piedmont, and then you get out across the coastal plain early November. Now, obviously, each year is different. There's a multitude of facets that go into the fall color change. Currently, we've got low color across much of the region at the higher elevations of the Blue Ridge, the Alleghenies out to the west, certainly showing some color. And then as you get up into the higher terrain of, say, Snowshoe, Elkins, and Canaan Valley, starting to see a little bit more color as well. So as we take a look at the satellite and radar combination, things are pretty quiet. Not many clouds as well. We may see some high clouds working toward morning, but high pressures to our north, and that's really going to keep us high and dry the next several days. You'll notice a feed of moisture coming from the Gulf up across the plain states, and a slow-moving front is going to inch its way eastbound over the next several days, but it'll be slow to get here, and even when it arrives, it may be slow to leave. So this little flux of warmer temperatures you see out across the Ohio Valley, back across the southeast, that'll be working in our direction in terms of our temperatures for the weekend. Meanwhile, Hurricane Sam is an impressive Category 4 hurricane. You can clearly see that eye. It was about 600, just under 700 miles now south-southeast of the island of Bermuda. It will pass east of the island as we go into late tomorrow and early on Saturday, but the big swells emanating from that hurricane will be realized up and down the eastern seaboard. So big surf and dangerous rip currents for the next several days through the weekend, and eventually that'll just slowly unwind and dissipate across the North Atlantic. Temperatures in the morning with some high clouds, mid 40s to low 50s. A beautiful afternoon for Friday. Temperatures will top out in the 70s, and then a great night for high school football tomorrow night. Saturday morning will start in the 40s and low 50s. Saturday afternoon will warm to around 80, a little warmer for Sunday to finish out the weekend. Mostly clear, some patchy fog tonight. Temperatures mid 40s to around 50. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as we get ready to kick off the month of October, and the weekend looks pretty dandy. It will be a bit warmer. Temperatures around 80 there on Saturday, low to middle 80s on Sunday, and a stretch of some showers and thunderstorms on a daily basis as we head through the first part of next week. But enjoy the weather.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We will be right back.